I say straight out, it was a really good trailer. And, and this feedback I got from the fans. So if I liked it and the fans didn't like it, it wouldn't mean anything. Glad that the fans liked it, and because we cut the promo, so the thinking so far is going correct. I hope it just doesn't stop at the trailer. It continues to the movie and beyond that. We've given it our best shot. Okay, we've got the best team of writers. You know, we worked really hard on the movie. The performances are great. The star cast is amazing, and the film has turned out really well. But now it is for the fans to decide on the 8th of September, you know, what the future and what the life journey of this film is going to be.
You know, it depends. It's there are few scripts like a script like this. I just had the thought, and Raj Sandelia, our writer, did the screenplay and the dialogues for us. I enjoy anything which is creative, but yeah, the base has to be strong. The writing has to be strong, and then you enjoy directing. So I think directing comes after you have written the film. You have to enjoy the writing to enjoy directing it. It's a stepping stone to and then
Success.
and then you know, however you work hard on the film, but even marketing the film and giving it a good release is very important. So I think every aspect is, whenever it comes to that, is very important in filmmaking. It's from the pre-production to the production to the post-production. They all are very important steps for a film to reach the audience, because now there's so much of cluster on television everywhere. To penetrate and to make yourself known out there is very difficult. So I think we've all worked very hard. We've given it a lot of time. We've given it all that we have. So I hope that the audience, I just hope that the audience sees that we've all worked very hard at this, and on the 8th of September goes and watches the film.
Well, to answer your question, it's always a pleasure to work with my brothers. And we've always had done some really interesting work, right from Pyar Kiya to Darna Kya to Hello Brother, to be individually working on each of our films has been wonderful. With the most important thing is that there is such great communication. You know, sometimes on other films, you know, everything can be very professional and go very well. But the fact is that when we work together, we understand each other's, what we like, what we don't like. And you know, there's just
Lying. In Tabang, his BP used to go up and down.
But that's why I said we know what we like, what we don't like, and we. So, but it's wonderful. So it's like great to work with my brothers. Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, और शुरू से लेके एक्चुअली जब फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट लिखी जा रही थी तब से बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें ऐड हो रही थी, लाइक राइटिंग के लेवल पे। और फिर जब फिल्म की शुरुआत हुई, बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज़ करने का मौका मिला, और सारे एक्टर्स की बहुत अच्छी बात ये थी कि सब एक्टर्स ने जो है एक ही लाइक क्योंकि डायरेक्टर ने वो प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया हमें कि आप उसमें इम्प्रोवाइज़ कर सकते हैं। ऐड ऑन हुई चीज़ें काफ़ी, तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बनती चली गई। आई थिंक जो स्क्रिप्ट थी उससे भी आगे बढ़ गई फिल्म, और फिल्म का मज़ा वही है कि जो स्क्रिप्ट है उसके नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चली जाए। चड्डी 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 चड्डी, एक से बढ़कर एक चड्डी, रंग बिरंगी डिज़ाइनदार खुशबूदार इज्जतदार चड्डी, हर कलर है डिज़ाइनर साइज और फ्लेवर की चड्डी, पार्टी वेयर चड्डी, कॉमन मैन से लेकर सुपरमैन तक सभी के लिए मिलेगी, हर शेप में नीली पीली सतरंगी और चितकबरी चड्डी, रात के राजाओं के लिए डिस्को वाली चड्डी, रेडियम वाली चड्डी, नाड़े वाली बिना नाड़े वाली, इलास्टिक वाली, प्लास्टिक वाली, छोटे बच्चों के लिए स्पेशल छोटा भी डोरेमोन छाप चड्डी, बड़ों के लिए टाइगर प्रिंट चड्डी, फुल गारंटी वाली चड्डी, चाहे जितना के लोगों बड्डी टूट जाएगी हड्डी, नहीं फटेगी चड्डी 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 चड्डी, एक से बढ़कर एक चड्डी।
जब याददाश्त चली जाती है और पूछते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ, हाँ, इनको ये डायलॉग तो याद रहेगा।
It was wonderful, and I think, as Sohail mentioned, it started at the beginning of the narration. I was excited to start. I fell in love with the script, the character, and working was just so much fun. We finished the film in 38 days. It was really easy, really relaxed, and when you got a great director like Sohail, and what you see now he's like that on set, full of laughter, full of happiness, and that's what it was. It was a really great shoot, and working with Nawaz also, everyone has this misconception that he's really intense and strict on set, but he's not. He's great fun. It's really easygoing. So all in all, working with a great team with Jas and Arbaz and Seemanti, it was fantastic.
Honestly, I'm just very grateful. I don't know how Sohail bhai thought of me, and really, it's unbelievable. So yeah, I consider this as my hopefully my comeback film. We have some great support here from Salman bhai, and got to act with an amazing actor like Nawazuddin. He took us through every scene so easily, 1 take, 2 takes, and we were done. But most interestingly, we got to work with Mr. Cool. He's the coolest director to work with. Amazing heat, and it felt like we were working under -2 degrees. Yeah. This movie is on heat.
So it only means that people are loving the script so much, and under extreme, circumstances, like they say very easily that we finished the film in 40 days, but they've shot from 5 o'clock till 11 p.m. in the night. So they're very hard days. It was like a lot of heat, like he said. It was really hot, and they were doing really chilled out scenes, which is really, really difficult. And because every artist, has his own scenes, own dialogues, and has his own way of working. So it becomes very difficult for the other artists, but to all of them to get together without any sleep, with long working hours, and doing comedy is the most difficult thing. My experience in comedy is when I'm upset, I have to do comedy. Depressed, I have to do comedy. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि खुश और comedy कर रहे हो लाइफ के अंदर? हाँ, खुश हैं comedy. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना लाइफ के अंदर. मेरा तो कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ कि comedy कर रहे हैं. जब बस वही है कि वाइफ पूछ रही है कि कहाँ गए थे, गर्लफ्रेंड किधर हो, और उसके ऊपर से कॉमेडी करना पड़ता है, which is the most difficult thing is, but the hard work, the grueling labor, the pain, makes it so endearing, so enjoyable to watch. तो हमारा जो खून पसीना है, जितनी हम मेहनत करेंगे उतना काम आसान लगेगा, उतना ऐसा लगेगा कि हमने बहुत ज़्यादा we've enjoyed ourselves, but that enjoyment is only of that really that hard work, that grueling work, that pain. You're irritable and you're angry and you're sleepy and you're tired, but you're liking your job, so you're with it. So most of the times that towards the end of the film, we feel like, kab khatam hogi picture? Yeah, thank God ye picture khatam ho gayi. Most of the times we go through this feeling because there's a lot of hard work. And then these questions ask you, oh, you guys are looking so happy, you're looking so lovely. Just imagine her, it was what, 40 degrees? 48 degrees in the sun, looking pretty. Makeup, ye wo laga ke, dresses and gowns. And so it becomes very, very difficult. And the other way around is, it is -20 and you're wearing a sari or you're wearing just, a thin blouse. So it is very, very difficult to be, in our shoes when we're shooting a movie. And it takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of patience. And the more we go through this pain, the more it is seen on camera, on cinema, on screen, that you guys have had such a blast. Thank you all. Very kind of you. May God bless you.
बंदा परवर तेरा बंदा, आसमान में उड़ता परिंदा, पर फैलाए खुली हवा में, तेरी नवाजिश पे है जिंदा। मकबरे पे बैठा कबूतर, पढ़े ज़बां से अल्लाह अल्लाह, परिंदा है परिंदा है परिंदा है परिंदा, आसमान में उड़ता परिंदा, परिंदा है परिंदा है परिंदा है परिंदा। थैंक यू।